Hey, welcome back to the Miss Petty Tech Lifestyle channel. So we have been doing the War Bandit games. We are now on level 15. If you need the password for this level, go ahead and check out my last video, level 14 to 15, so that you can get the password. So let's go ahead and get started for this level. The password of the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password for the current level on port 3000 on localhost using SSL encryption. So we're going to be using the same technique we've been using for the last few levels. So let's go ahead, log in with the SSH secure shell using the Bandit Wargame, Bandit 11 website host on portal 2220. And like I said, go ahead and get that last password from my last video. So here we're not going to TLS because there's no files. So I'm just going to go ahead and read manual pages for the commands we have not used. The commands we have not used is OpenSSL, S_client, and mmap. So I just went ahead, typed man OpenSSL, and we're going to go ahead and read all the details they have to tell us about OpenSSL. OpenSSL is a cryptography toolkit, the secure sockets layer, and transport layer security, TLS, network protocols and related cryptography standards required by time. So this is basically logging into different networks, layers. Say there's somebody's Wi-Fi that has a password and you want to log into it. So somewhere of that sort, we're going to be using OpenSSL to connect to a secure line. One of the other commands is underneath this it's a sub command for OpenSSL. The S_client. Here you can read the details about it, how it establishes a transport connection to a server, to a remote server. So we're going to be hacking through the network and then hacking into somebody's direct server, which is basically their computer or maybe just some device that can receive and transceive network signals. I hope this is all good for me breaking it down, because I understand it, but me breaking it down sometimes is kind of hard. Work with me. So here are a few things the man page has for S_client. The S_client this is the man OpenSSL. I thought I missed something. Excuse me. So let's check out what the manual page says for the S_client. See if it gives more detail as far as what this command can do. So this S_client is definitely a subset of OpenSSL, like they say here. It commands and implements a generic SSL TLS client, which connects to a remote host using a secure socket layer. So here we want to connect to a local host on port 3000. So for us to connect, we know we're going to have to use the connect command. So let's go ahead and write out our few commands that we know we're going to use. OpenSSL S_client -connect. And we want to keep it in the same format that they told us to use it. Localhost : port, but you don't have to write the port, you just have to write the number. So : 30001. And this here, excuse me, I am not the best typer. I should work on my accuracy. Hold on. Let me fix this. If you don't know, short keys can be used by using the up arrow to go ahead and rewrite everything out. Dope. So it gave us the spit out of the connection and the details of it connected to the local host, the certificate chain, the certificate key like we got in the previous levels. And it also spits out a cipher code at the bottom full of a hexadump. So I would say if you would like for us to decode all of this info, I'll do an extra level on the side. You guys just write in the comments, let me know, and I can take the time to do that. But here in this level, it just wants us to get all of these logging details so that it could show you what's given for connecting to local hosts. You get a key, you get a PSK identity at the bottom here. It tells you the TLS cipher, what the code is to use to get into this server. So it spits out a lot of info. It also gives you the time it takes to log into this server. So here it wants us to put the password so that we can fully access to the server. So here I just put in the password and it spits back out a password back because that's what we were looking for. So cool. But they also say, oh, well, there's a helpful note, getting heart beating and read R block. Use I9. Use this command and read the connected commands section of the man page next to RQ, the B command. So here, I didn't show y'all how I got the TLS next bug. But if you read the Open SSL cookbook article, it will explain to you what they're talking about with getting heart beating. It's a testing command that allows you to test out the signal you sent out to the server. So here you see it sent out a cipher code for the first transport layer. And then it also sends out another signal for the second transport layer, which has a longer hexadump code. So there are, let's see, it looks like 4 layers of code that needed to be ciphered before you can send out a signal to connect to this server. And then just to make sure it's a secure shell, they gave you the certificate. And then after, it was saying the client certificate name sent to certify. So it was basically, doing the check that we dissected in the previous videos. It gave you the check saying, okay, yes, this is the correct certificate. Yes, I have it. Cool, let's go to the next. And it does. And you'll also need to put the password again so that you can get the logging out. So yes, you got your password back. Now it's time to log out from that server. And this is all security purpose, just to make sure when somebody's logging, how long does it take? All of the accuracy it takes to make things, fluent. So it's not like a headache. Oh, I'm logging, I'm setting the right password. What could be the error? It's basically giving all these logging details so that we can get what error is happening, or if not, if it's fully functional to our liking. So cool, you guys. We did it again. We solved another level. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.